that shoulder back. Let it drop. Let it drop. Perfect. What are we working on today? Anything specific going on?
Kind of the usual neck, back, and groin.
Okay. It's been what, your usual 2 weeks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take a look. Why don't you come on over here so I can see yourself. So any changes? You've just been studying, doing schoolwork?
Yeah, I've been driving more, which is good. So.
Okay, practicing driving. And doing your college studies.
Yep.
Right, okay. So neck, back, groin, yeah?
Yes, groin
Okay.
has been a little bit worse.
Any ideas why?
Not really.
Any new exercises or anything?
No.
Okay.
Maybe the dog's been pulling a little bit harder.
Are you walking them?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just take a look. I'm gonna have you turn sideways because we're gonna do something. I wanna see how you're moving today. So I want you to put your feet kind of hip width apart and we're gonna do a little squat.
Okay.
So I wanna see how deep you can go and I wanna see if you can get down there and I'm gonna watch your hips, okay? So let's go ahead and go scoot forward just a touch your basket. There we go, good. Okay, so now let's see, have you go down and then go down a little further. And then come back up, okay? Do you need to get your feet wider?
Maybe.
Because I see you really, okay, go ahead and try now. And back up. Yeah, you're really pushing over to the left side here.
Okay.
You feel that? Can you feel that? Which groin is bothering you?
It's on and off of both, probably.
Okay. Yeah, because typically your left leg is your short leg. So I really, what I'm noticing is that when you're squatting down, you're pulling over to the left like that. So,
got it.
So let's try that one more time. And go ahead, go down. And come back up. Okay, not bad. Let's see how your shoulder blades are working. Let's squeeze back here. Let me see. Good, okay. Could probably work on some activation there. Any issue with that at all? Does that feel achy?
Not really. I know my shoulders are kind of off because I have scoliosis. So.
Okay, alrighty. All stuff that we work with, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's put your feet together. Let me see how strong you are today. Hold this up strong, but let me push it down. So we could get a little stronger. How about if you turn your left toes out? Let's try that again. Hold that up. That's a little easier, yeah?
Yeah.
Put your toes together. Turn your right toes out.
Wow.
That's harder, right? So turn your toes in. So you just got to walk around with your left toes out.
Just turned out like that.
Yeah. Or I can give you something you can wear. No, just kidding. So we'll adjust you and help balance out the pelvis, which will balance out the weight that's coming up through your feet.
Okay.
And that'll take some of the pressure off of the groin and hopefully get your squat back down to being level. So, okay, honey, let's go back on your stomach. Case in the middle there. Good. Well, driving around here is a little bit scary.
A little bit, but...
Okay, I'm gonna check your butt. Okay, good. So it's definitely that left side. Because when I touch the right, you get worse. So let's fix that. Set your pelvis first. How's the hips been?
Kind of off too.
Yeah, they get a little achy sometimes.
Yeah.
You been sleeping okay?
I have, yeah.
Good. I'm gonna set this using the table. Let your belly drop. Big breath in and out. Big breath in and out. Good. Big breath in and out. bad. Squeeze your knees together. Release. Not bad. So your pubic bone isn't showing up at the moment. So the groin is more than likely coming from the hips.
Okay.
So when that femur head rotates, that'll pull on the front side as well. So we're gonna do that also with the table here. Both sides are externally rotated today, so let's fix that. Breath in and out. Good. Breath in and out. One more. And out. Very good. Okay, so we're going to come back and I'm going to adjust your SI joint. Nice deep breath in and all the way out. Perfect. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Really good. Big breath in and out. We're gonna get some better activation now, right? Oh, this feels a little tense today. You can feel that?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna adjust the shoulder blades. Because yeah, when you have that scoliosis, a curve, then that pulls on the shoulder blades as well. So this will take some of the pressure off through here. Turn your head, look to the left. Turn your head back to the middle. Yeah, still got work to do here. Big breath in and all the way out. Big breath in and all the way out. Good. One more time. Big breath in and all the way out. Good. Just stretching the rib cage over a little bit that way. Now turn your head, look left. Ta-da! Much better. Head back to the middle. Does that feel different to you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Shrug both shoulders. Relax. So, continuing up in the lower neck. Shrug both shoulders. Relax. And look up and down. Alrighty. So I'm gonna have you lie on this side, please. Yes, hook. Very good. Put my hand in your mouth. Okay, nice deep breath in. And let all that drop down. And drop that shoulder back, let it drop. Your eyes got all that thing. Yeah, and that'll definitely pull on that area too, so you can feel lighter. Okay, right here. Nice deep breath in and let it all out. Let that drop down good. Very good. Okay, now you can go on your back. Any headaches lately? That feels like it. Yeah, feels tight right there. Is that sore?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your upper leg. So let's get that. Deep breath in. Let it drop. Perfect. Couldn't hear that down the hall. That's super easy. Good. Again, right there, you feel that? That's all your atlas axis C1, C2. Good. Little stretch. Good. That feels so different already. Good. Okay, now I'm going to check your feet. It's okay if I take these off?
Yep.
Forgot to ask you in the beginning, but.
Yep.
So how far are you walking the doggies?
Oh, we walk them around the house. But we have
Oh yeah,
lawn,
you have
so.
a big yard, yeah. Good. Let's see. Oop. That one opened up real nice. Perfect. Your big ones, they open up. I can feel them open. They just don't make a lot of noise. Here we go. There we go. Good. Okay, so now let's just bend the knees. I'm going to make sure the pivot bone is in fact in the right place. I'm just going to tuck that there. So you're going to squeeze your knees together. Don't let me pull apart. Squeeze. Good. And push out. Any problem with those?
The out's a little harder.
Harder? Yeah, okay. So in you felt strong, out was a little bit weak. Let's try in again one more time. Squeeze in, hold. Good. And now push out. Push, push, push. Good. So one of the things that I noticed is that's in the glute.
Okay.
So you can get one of those bands
Yeah.
and do some side walking.
Okay.
That helps activate some of those glute muscles.
Okay.
That'll help with that. Okay, so let's recheck and see how things look. Did I miss anything?
I think that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
stand up. Stand right there. Let's check, yeah. Actually, yeah, you can face that way first. It looks better. Feet together. Hold the arm up. So you were strong when you turn. Now turn your right toes out. Hold that up. Now you're much stronger even there because now you're balanced. So let's do the squat. Go to the side. Good. And let's see if this is any. Okay, scooch forward just a little. Perfect. Okay, go ahead. And come back up. And how's the groin feel when you do that?
A lot better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No more pulling?
Nope.
You're still tipping towards the left side, so I think some of that is just your pattern, that left leg being a little bit short. So I think if we work on glute activation, that'll really help.
Okay.
So the band around there,
right.
Side step, get kind of low.
Okay.
So you're activating through the glutes.
Right.
I think doing some squat work would probably be good. Do you do any squats?
Not anymore. Used to do a lot.
So put the band around the knee.
Okay.
And do some nice squats, slow, hold at the bottom, come back up, all while squeezing the knees out. Because sometimes we have a tendency for our knees to come in.
Right.
But especially if, remember when I tried to have you squeeze your legs out, it was harder. So knees pressing out into the band, deep squat and hold, and squeeze your way up.
Right.
Doing some of that regularly, I think is really gonna help with your hip and groin stability. Good, now feet back together. Right knee to your chest. Good, and down, left knee to your chest. Much better, all that's moving really well. And then let's check right here. Squeeze, That feel a little easier, yeah?
Definitely.
So I think if I add any more homework, so it's glute, glute, then between the shoulder blades.
Okay.
So doing that, you can take that band, hold it out, and then squeeze your shoulder blades down and together.
Okay.
There, yeah? Yeah, because then you're gonna activate right there.
Right.
So let's work on those 3 things.
Okay.
And I'll see you in a couple of weeks.
All right. Perfect. Sounds great.
You're doing great. Thank you.